Welcome. Today we will be discussing how to find the volume of a cone. Now the volume of a cone is very similar to finding the volume of a cylinder. The only difference here is that we're going to be talking about using 1/3 instead of pi r squared height. So when we look at our equation here, the initial equation to find the volume of a cone is volume equals 1/3 base times height. Now the main thing we need to think about here is that the base of our shape is a circle. So just like volume of all other shapes, we need to find the area of our base first in order to combine that with the volume of our shape. So the area of our base is a circle, and so that's found by using pi r squared. So just like in our area of cylinders, we'll be using pi r squared to find the base. So let's start plugging some values in. Again, my equation is v equals 1/3 times pi, we're using it as 3.14. My r value, my radius, again the halfway distance of my circle that is my base, and my circle here is this guy, even though it looks kind of more like a football, but think of it as three-dimensional, and just excuse my poor drawing. And so my radius thus is 7. Plug that in, and I have 7 and 7 squared, right? It's r squared. And then I need to multiply this by the height, the three-dimensional height of the object, which is 12. So let's go ahead and plug all that in and start simplifying our values. We can multiply in any order here, but we need to start with the exponent first, of course. This guy right here. Remember, order of operations. So 7 squared is going to be 49. And we just need to go ahead and plug everything, bring everything back down here. And we can continue multiplying here. We can do 49 times 12, 1/3 times 12, whatever is going to be easy for us. I think 1/3 times 12 will be pretty easy because I know 4 is going to go into 12 3 times, so that'll simplify those values. So this will cancel out those, and that'll turn into 4 here times 3.14 times 49. And let's go ahead and multiply 49 times 3.14. 9 times 4 is going to give me 36. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 1 is 28. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And 4 times 3 is 12. So add up our values. We get 15386. Don't forget to move that decimal because this is 3.14. So it should be 153.86. But we are not finished. Recall, we still have not multiplied by that 4 value here yet on the left. So let's multiply our final value, 153.86, and let's go ahead and multiply that by 4. 4 times 6 will give us 24. 8 times 4 will give us 32, plus 2 will give me 34. Carry that 3. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 will give me 21. And 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Can't forget to move that decimal again 2 places, so we get our value of 615.44. And this was in inches, so it's going to be inches cubed for my solution here. And that'll be the volume of my cone. And that's how we find the volume of a cone.